Imagine standing on a planet where rain isn't made of water, but razor-sharp glass. Picture a star so dense that just 1 teaspoon of its material would weigh billions of tons. And somewhere in the darkness of space, an invisible force is pulling entire galaxies toward it. These aren't scenes from a science fiction movie. They are real places that exist in our universe. And by the end of this video, you'll discover the most terrifying place scientists have ever found. Space is far stranger than most people realize. Every year, astronomers discover worlds and cosmic objects that completely change our understanding of reality. Some are unbelievably beautiful. Others are so dangerous that no known life could survive for even a second. Today, we're exploring incredible places that seem impossible, yet they're absolutely real. Let's begin. 1. HD 189733b, the planet where glass rains sideways. At first glance, this planet looks peaceful. Its deep blue color makes it resemble Earth from space. But don't let its beauty fool you. Powerful winds race across the atmosphere at more than 5,000 miles per hour. Instead of water, the clouds contain tiny particles of silicate, the same material used to make glass. Those particles are blasted sideways by the extreme winds, creating endless storms of razor-sharp glass. If a human somehow landed there, survival would be impossible. It's one of the most beautiful planets we've ever discovered, and one of the deadliest. 2. Neutron stars, the densest objects in the universe. Now imagine something even stranger. When a massive star dies, it doesn't always disappear. Sometimes it collapses into an object only about 20 kilometers across. Yet that tiny object can contain more mass than our Sun. A single teaspoon of neutron star material would weigh billions of tons on Earth. Its gravity is so powerful that it bends space and time around it. Standing anywhere near one would be completely impossible. Neutron stars prove that the universe doesn't always follow the rules our minds expect. 3. The Boomerang Nebula, the coldest place ever found. You might think deep space is already cold, but one location is even colder than space itself. The Boomerang Nebula has a temperature of around minus 272 degrees Celsius. That's only about 1 degree above absolute zero. At this temperature, atoms barely move. Scientists still study how this incredible object became colder than the cosmic background surrounding it. It remains one of the greatest mysteries in astronomy. 4. Rogue planets, lost worlds, drifting forever. Most planets orbit stars, but not these. Rogue planets wander alone through the darkness of space without any sun. Imagine a world where daylight never comes. No sunrise, no sunset, only endless darkness stretching for billions of years. Some scientists believe there may be billions of rogue planets drifting through our galaxy. Each one is a lonely world, silently traveling through the universe with no destination. And somehow, everything you've seen so far is only the beginning. Because next, we'll visit a star with magnetic power beyond imagination, a mysterious force pulling entire galaxies, and the most terrifying place scientists have ever discovered. What you've seen so far is incredible, but the next places make those worlds look almost normal. The deeper we travel into space, the stranger reality becomes. Let's continue. 5. Magnetars, the most powerful magnets in the universe. Imagine a star with a magnetic field so powerful it could erase every credit card on Earth, from hundreds of thousands of kilometers away. Welcome to the world of magnetars. These rare neutron stars possess the strongest magnetic fields ever discovered. Their magnetic force is trillions of times stronger than Earth's. When a magnetar releases energy, it creates massive starquakes that send powerful bursts of radiation across space. If one were close enough to Earth, the radiation could seriously affect our technology and environment. Even today, scientists are still trying to understand these incredible cosmic giants. 6. Black holes, where time begins to break. Few objects in the universe are more mysterious than black holes. A black hole forms when a massive star collapses under its own gravity. The result is an object with gravity so powerful that not even light can escape. Around every black hole lies the event horizon. Cross that invisible boundary, and there is no return. Time itself behaves differently near a black hole. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, time slows dramatically in its immense gravity. For someone falling toward a black hole, minutes could pass, while years pass for someone far away. It is one of the strangest consequences of modern physics. 7. The Great Attractor, the invisible giant. Now imagine something even more mysterious. Millions of galaxies, including our own Milky Way, are slowly moving toward an unknown location in space. Astronomers call it the Great Attractor. It cannot be seen directly because enormous clouds of stars and dust block our view. Yet its gravity is so enormous that entire galaxy clusters are being pulled toward it. Scientists still don't know exactly what lies there. Some believe it may be an enormous concentration of galaxies. Others think even larger cosmic structures are hidden beyond it. For now, it remains one of astronomy's greatest mysteries. 8. Sagittarius A, the monster at the center of our galaxy. At the very center of the Milky Way hides a supermassive black hole. Its name is Sagittarius A. It contains millions of times the mass of our Sun. Fortunately, it is about 26,000 light-years away. If it were much closer, life on Earth might never have existed. Despite its terrifying size, Sagittarius A helps hold our galaxy together through its immense gravity. Even something so destructive plays a role in creating cosmic order. We've traveled through frozen nebulae, glass storms, magnetic monsters, and invisible cosmic giants. But one final mystery remains. It may be the strangest discovery in the entire universe, and scientists still have no explanation for it. We've explored worlds where glass falls from the sky, stars so dense they defy imagination, and black holes where time itself begins to slow. But nothing compares to what comes next. Because the greatest mystery in the universe is something we can't even see. 9. Dark matter, the invisible universe. Everything you've ever seen, every star, every planet, every galaxy, makes up only about 5% of the universe. The remaining universe is mostly invisible. Scientists call this mysterious substance dark matter. It doesn't emit light. It doesn't reflect light. In fact, it can't be seen directly at all. Yet its gravity holds galaxies together. Without dark matter, many galaxies would simply fly apart. For decades, scientists have searched for it. Powerful telescopes, underground laboratories, even particle accelerators. But despite countless experiments, no one has ever captured dark matter. It's everywhere, yet completely invisible. 10. The cosmic web, the largest structure ever found. Now zoom out farther than you've ever imagined. Beyond individual galaxies, beyond galaxy clusters, lies something almost impossible to comprehend. The cosmic web, an enormous network stretching across billions of light years. Every glowing strand contains countless galaxies connected by gravity. Between those strands are gigantic empty regions called cosmic voids. Some are hundreds of millions of light years across. If you traveled through one, you might never see another galaxy for millions of years. From above, the universe almost looks like a giant brain, an astonishing pattern that scientists are still trying to understand. The deeper we explore space, the more impossible reality becomes. Glass storms, magnetic monsters, invisible matter, cosmic structures larger than human imagination. These places remind us that the universe isn't just bigger than we think. It's stranger than we can imagine. And perhaps, the greatest discoveries are still waiting in the darkness. If this video changed the way you see the universe, leave a like, subscribe to Mind Glitch, and tell us in the comments which place shocked you the most, because in the next episode, we'll explore the most terrifying planets ever discovered. Until then, keep questioning reality.